viewers, it's Lushawn. If you just found my channel, welcome. And if you are returning to my channel, welcome back. Thank you so much for supporting me here on Lushawn's Lifestyle. You know I truly do appreciate it. So today's video is my October's budget. It's like September is just flying by. Maybe it's because I had travel and whatnot, kind of throws me off, but yeah. So already got to do the October budget. So first and foremost, a little housekeeping. I'd just like to invite you all to subscribe if you haven't done so. I truly would appreciate it. And also check out the description box below. I have a lot of good things down there. And also this month and next month, I will be featuring the UniquelyShon budget kits. So yeah, I have her link below as well. Please check out her Etsy shop. She has some beautiful things there if you're into decorating your planners. That might be able to help you out because her prices are good on the coins. So yeah, so without any further ado, let's go ahead and get into this budget. Alrighty then, so as per usual, I'm utilizing my Erin Condren Deluxe Monthly Planner. Yeah, I really need to order one because this is October now, so I need to get on the ball with that. But for this budget, yeah, so I'm utilizing the Erin Condren. I'm using the UniquelyShon budget kits. And for this month, I will be utilizing the Papermate Ink Joy Gel 0.7 pen. I'm really liking those. Next to the Papermate Flare, I think these are my new faves. Okay, so as per usual, if you are new to the channel, I always go ahead and put down my dashboard calendar, the calendar dashboard layout to save time. And basically I go ahead and put down the paydays that I'm utilizing for this month. I do not put my last payday down. I do that on the next month, since that check goes to the next month, and it wears me out to see another payday sticker down here because I just do paycheck 1, paycheck 2. So that's me, I'm wonky, that's how it is. And then I go ahead and I write out what the bill is, how much it is, and then I just put those on the dates that they are due. Some of them, even though I may have them on the due date, like some of them I pay. Not all of them are automatic, but these are still the dates that they are due. In the column on the right side, I list what step I'm on in the Dave Ramsey method, and I'm in baby step 2, which is paying back my debt. Then I always try to give myself 3 goals. Goal number 1 will probably always be a 10 no spend days until I get to a point where I can up my no spend days. But right now that's where I am. Goal number 2 is, I promised myself last month I was going to do some new releases on Etsy, and then travel got in the way, but I'm going to get at it. And then goal number 3, of course, is to create additional or enhance current income streams. So by doing that, by doing goal 2 will help me with goal 3. So there's that. And then I also make sure that I log down what my credit scores are at the end of the month. So I just have this little, just for my own sake, you know, no rhyme or reason. I just like to know. So yeah, so that's my layout for the month of October with this beautiful budget kit. So let's go ahead and get these amounts lined out, and let me find my notes. Flour over, maybe I'll put my flour over here. All right, so for October, my main income is, let me bring in a little bit more. Of course, for my job, so I'm just putting main. And what I'm expecting or budgeting to get is $5,961.70. And why is that humping? Oh, because of those things. Okay. And I'm due to get that on 9:30 and 10:15. If there's a weekend or something like that, you all know that you get paid before. But anyway, those are my paydays. Then I always leave a miscellaneous just in case something comes in. Currently, I'm only gonna budget off of my main paycheck for the month. So my total is, or totals, $5,961.70 is what we're gonna run these numbers on. So let's go ahead and get this little train chugging on the track. All right, so for my bills and expenses, starting out first and foremost is my mortgage, and that is $2,674 even, and that is due on the 1st. Next is the gym, and I've been loving the gym. I just really just kind of been Miss Zumba Queen, I think. And then on the days I can't make Zumba, then I go and I do like 30-minute cardio, and then I'll do like, I'll have a leg day, have a lower body day, upper body day, then total body. So yeah, your girl's been doing it. So that is $23.42. So I'm getting my money's worth, and that's due on the 1st. Then I have life insurance, number 1, which is my mom's. For you oldies but goodies, you all know I pay my mother's life insurance, and that is due on the 2nd. And then life insurance number 2. This is like multiple premiums within one, and it has my son, and so it's that's why it's the amount that it is. It's $103.89, and that is due on the 2nd as well. Next is toll. I do take the tolls to go to work because that's how I get there pretty much on time. And that is $70. That one is due on the 3rd. Then I have a student loan. This one is my son's student loan that I said I would pay, and that is $130, and that is on the 4th. Next is my American Express Gold, and that this month is $172.98. That's a weird amount, but whatever. Whatevs. Okay. And that one's due on the 4th too. And then I have Capital One, and this month is $88, which it's gone down because I've been paying down, but I still pay extra. That one is due on the 4th as well. Then I have Synchrony, which is my Rooms to Go card, and that is $56. This is a 0 APR card, so I'm just paying just straight principal right now. I think the promotion ends probably like in another 2 years or something like that. This would have been my Snowball, but I switched it to this one since there's no APR on it. This is due on the 10th. Then I have BBVA, which is a personal loan. Compass. And that is $715.53, due on the 15th. A little bit. Next is AT&T cell phone plan, which I said I'm gonna, yeah, I've been looking into the prepaid, and I'm definitely gonna move over to that. I just gotta get my booty in gear and go do it. So it's $122.43. Because I don't see myself like getting a new phone anytime soon. My phone works just fine. I mean, could I have a better one? Yeah, but it does what I need it to do. So there's that. All right, so that one's due on the 17th. And then there's Netflix. Netflix is $13.98. And that is due on the 17th as well. I tell you, I've been loving my Netflix and my Prime Video with my Amazon membership, because when you're traveling and you're away, it's just good to be able to just check, break out your phone and watch a movie or a series or something and not have to worry about it. So loving that. Then I have BPAS, another small personal loan, and that is $139, and it is due on the 20th. Next is student loan A, right? Yes, student loan A. This is my really small, super small student loan. That's $35. And that is due on the 21st. Next is student loan B, and this is another of my son's loans that I said I would pay. And I put $75 towards that, and that's due on the 23rd. Next is my car insurance. And that is a $305.13. It has multiple cars, so that is why it has that amount. That is also due on the 23rd. Then I have my cash envelopes. And I use this separated, and I do on my paycheck to paycheck, but on here I'm like, it's just bills and expenses, girl. Just list it all and get it over with. It ain't gonna change the amounts. So envelopes, and I do for the month $520, and then I have my sinking funds. And that for the month is $280. And then I have my debt snowball amount. And for the month, right now I'm putting $200 extra towards my debt. So my total expenses calculate to be $5,000, and I added this in advance. I didn't want to torture y'all by watching me add it up. So $5,775.36 is what all of these little doodads add up to. So if you take my total bills and expenses for the month that I'm projecting or budgeting from my expected income of $5,961.70, my remaining balance is a whopping $186.34. So what I do for the month is I just leave this here. I kind of have in my head what I'm going to do, but what I do each paycheck, because I do paycheck to paycheck, each paycheck I'm gonna have a remaining. So at that point, that's when I allocate what I'm gonna do with those funds. And then when I do my budget wrap up, I will come back and write in what was done with the remaining amount of money. That way I don't, I'm not like, constantly changing or whiting out or scratching out. I like paycheck to paycheck, I can really hone in on it, kind of whittle it down to what it should be, or what I'm going to allocate for it. And then when I wrap up, I can actually look back for the month and say, okay, yeah, this is what was done with those remaining funds. So yeah, so this is my October plan, what I have going on for my monies. And hopefully everything works out okay and there's no hiccups. So if you've lasted this long in the video, you already know you are a lifestyler. And until my next video, hugs and love. Happy fall.